So after having this car for 2 days, I got a check engine light. And this is why you drive it, you know? I mean, obviously you're gonna drive your car, but when you get a car that you don't know, you're not familiar with, you gotta drive it, you gotta do a shakedown. So I drove this one for a couple days from San Diego, and then I drove it to Net Frags, which is in Fontana, kind of far. And we got a check engine light, and I feel like it has a misfire. I don't have a code reader yet. Wishbone is gonna bring me one. But I went and got a coil pack and the plug wires. And when he comes, I will scan the check engine light. And then let me show you here. So on this car, these are the coil packs here. This is 4, 5, 6. And this one is 1, 2, 3. And all you have to do to get to these ones is take the air box off, which is super easy. And then this one, obviously you don't have to do it. You just unplug the signal wires there. It comes off super easy. So I got one of these, so I'm gonna find out which one is bad. And then I got all replacement plug wires because these do wear out. So I'm gonna replace all the plug wires, but I'm gonna find out which one is giving me the misfire. And trying to look and see if any of these look like they've been replaced. The only one that looks kind of different is this one. See how these ones have this kind of dust on it and this one doesn't? So this one might have been replaced. It could be a crappy aftermarket one. I got a Bosch one, which I think is probably next best thing to OEM. But yeah, stay tuned, we'll see. But other than that, the car runs really good. On the freeway, it did kind of lag a little bit. It started to slow down to like limp mode. But then after that, I think probably drove it like that for like 15 seconds, and then it started to drive normal again with the misfire. But yeah, got the car registered in my name today. I'm doing good. And here we are. Wishbone brought us the scan tool with the specialty connector for Mercedes. We're just going to mess with this diagnostic here and see why that is on. My guess is misfire. We'll see if I'm right, and then this will tell us which cylinder it is. All right, it's still scanning. We got to find out what that is. So probably have to Google it, but we'll wait till it's done scanning everything to see what's going on. Some of these are from when the car went into limp mode. So some of these, when you fix it and then clear the codes, they won't come back. But we'll see what it comes up with here. This even says it's in diagnose right now, which is interesting. This is almost done. I'm just waiting to see if the misfire pops up to see which bank and which cylinder it's on. Almost done though. If it doesn't come up on here, I might have to clear them all and start the start the car and do like a live reading on it to see. All right, so it gave a code for a Hall effect sensor. The misfire could have been intermittent. What I'm gonna do is replace all of the plug wires. I'm gonna hold on to the coil because it didn't have a stored code for misfire, which is weird because it was misfiring. I'm gonna replace all of the plug wires because if those go bad, it can really mess with the strength of the spark and stuff like that, which can make it misfire. I'll hold on to the coil. I cleared all the codes and it was running just fine. So old cars are fun. All right, so half of them are done. I got this side done. These are NGK plugs, by the way. NGK is a very trusted brand, especially when it comes to spark plugs and stuff like that. These, when I cleaned them off, saw that these are all original Mercedes. See the logo there? And what do you notice there? Bosch. So super glad I got the Bosch replacement one in case I need it. Now on this side, check the airbox off so I can get to this side, and we'll do this side next. All right, we have the coil packs cleaned up, dielectric grease on them, all new plug wires. They're all phased the correct way. Got the airbox hooked back up, and I'm gonna hook up the battery. I'm gonna get the compressor and blow all the stuff out of here, and then we'll start it up. All right, button back up, good to go. I got a little ABS light on. I think it's because I had the battery unplugged. It's running nice and smooth now. So I'm gonna clear that ABS light, and then we'll probably go drive this thing to Costco and put gas in it. And yeah, she's running good. I'll drive this thing to get my tattoo tomorrow, and then I'll go drive it up to Redlands, up to Wishbone's house. It's idling nice.